So let's do an unboxing. I've just received this yesterday, and I was looking for some not too expensive wireless mics, and I've watched a couple of reviews now on these and they seem to be very good. So it's just a simple unboxing. It's the Kimafun wireless microphone set. It says G130 here, so there's the box. It's got a sticker on it. For laptop and PC you will need one USB sound card with two 3.5mm jacks, which is included. So lovely small carrying case to keep your microphone and receiver in. So the instructions, which I'll have a look at later. But what do we have? So the usual charging cable, and if you notice there's two USB to one. So that means you can obviously charge two of these devices, which there is the microphone. And as you'll notice, there's no jack to plug in another. It's a complete microphone, and the receiver. So you charge the two of them up at the same time. And we've got a handy clip here, I believe, for the mic, so that it can clip onto your waistband or trousers whilst this is clipped into the front of your shirt. And the accessory that comes with it, just as it says in the box, there's a jack with two inputs, which is really good because that's about probably £7 to buy itself. A larger jack plug, and you've got another microphone wind sponge here. So these cost me £45 on Amazon, and I will put the affiliate link below for anyone that's looking for them. But I will do another review shortly, testing these guys out to see how good quality they are. So that's the unboxing of the Kimafun wireless microphone.